I really had fun with the clean house tag yesterday that I thought I would do 10 random facts about me today. So the first one is, you probably see me quite a lot wearing scarves. And why I wear them is not necessarily for fashion, but I actually wear them to protect myself against my bronchitis. Number 2, you also may see me wear sunglasses, probably most of the time, all of the time. Not that I don't love a good pair of sunglasses, because I do, but I actually wear them because my eyes are very sensitive to the light and they help me. And I do need to get prescription sunglasses because now it's even interfering with my driving. 3, I am 46 years old. 4, I love hockey. You may even know that about me, but I just love that sport. Number 5, my favorite saint is Saint Jude. Told you, very random. Number 6, I have been working since the age of 15 years old. And now remember, I just said I was 46. Yeah.
And I'm still not a housewife.
All I want is to be a stay-at-home wife. I'm still not a housewife.
Number 7, I have 6 siblings, 2 sisters, 4 brothers. I came from a family of 9. There is 7 of us living, so I would actually have had 6 living brothers and 2 sisters. Number 7, you might even know this about me too, I don't know, I mention it sometimes, but I am 100% full-blooded Portuguese, and I speak it fluently. I can write some of it and I can read a lot of it. Number 9, we all have bucket lists, right? We all have goals. One thing I would love to accomplish is to publish my own cookbook. I would love to be able to take all my mom's recipes, all my family's history, all the love of Portuguese cooking that I have, and just put it all in one book and share it with pictures and stories, and, you know, have it to pass down the line to family yet to come, grandchildren, great-grandchildren. I would love to do that. I really would like to work on that soon, you know, at least in my 50s, so I have a few years. But yeah, that is definitely a huge goal of mine. And the last random fact about me is, some of you may even know this too, I love pumpkin. I love pumpkin everything. I want to be a pumpkin. I want to run away with a pumpkin. I want to eat pumpkin. I want to live in a pumpkin house. I want to live in a pumpkin world. Everything pumpkin. And that is the 10 random facts about me. If you got a kick out of this video, leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you would like to know another 10 random facts about me. And also, leave me a random fact about you. I would love that. If I see that there was enough interest, I will come back soon with another 10 random facts about me. And if there's a random fact that you would like to know about me, also leave that in the comments and I will include it in my next 10 random facts about me video. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.